Good afternoon, students. I am Priyanka Gupta from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School and Junior College. Hello, students. I am Priyanka Gupta from Seth Vidya Mandir, English High School. I will be teaching you history. Today, subject is history, class 8. Class 8. Due to this movement, human freedom and rationalism gained importance. The geographical discoveries, the overland trade routes going to Asia and Europe passed through it. As the Turks blocked this route, it became necessary for the European to find new routes to reach Asia. The importance of geographical discoveries. Istanbul was the capital of Byzantine Empire. Ottoman Turks conquered it in 1453 AD. The overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city. Since the Turks blocked this route, there was a need of finding alternative trade routes for the European countries to reach Asia. This led to a new phase of geographical discoveries. Due to the changes during the Renaissance period, Europe proceeded from medieval to modern age. Intellectual revolution took place in this same period. The society starts stepping out of the past ignorance and blind faith. The pre-established customs and traditions came to be seen from a critical point of view. All these changes are addressed an intellectual revolution which gave further momentum to scientific discoveries in Europe. American Revolutionary War with the background of revolutionary development in Europe. It is equally important to think about the American War of Independence with the discovery of America. The European countries turned their attention toward this continent. French Revolution. In 1789 AD, the people of France revolted against the uncontrolled and unjust monarchy and feudalism and established a republic. This event is known as French Revolution. The French Revolution gave to the world the three values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. The people in America revolted against it. England declared war to suppress these colonies. American colonies organized the army under the leadership of George Washington and finally won against England. This event is known as American War of Independence. A new nation known as the United States of America with a federal government, written constitution and based on the principles of democracy was born. The discovery of new sea routes began a new era of trade between Europe and Asia. Many traders came forward to trade with eastern countries through the sea route. It was not easy to carry out trade single handedly, and hence many traders came together and started trade. There was rise of many trading companies. Trade with oriental countries was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. Hence, European rulers started giving military protection and trade concessions to these trading companies. This led to accumulation of wealth in Europe. This property was used in the form of capital for trade and commerce, which led to rise of capitalist economic system in Europe. An economy and political system in which a country, trade and industry are controlled by private owners for profit rather than by the state. Imperialism and colonialism. Now, colonialism refers to the policy of a power country occupying another region and establishing its political supremacy. Where imperialism, a system in which a powerful country controls other countries by establishing its overall domination and establishing many colonies. This led to accumulation of wealth in Europe. This property was used in the form of capital for trade and commerce, which led to rise of capitalist economic system in Europe. Now, trade with oriental countries was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. With the discovery of new sea routes, many traders came forward to trade with the eastern countries. Thus, there was a rise in many trading companies. Trade with the oriental countries was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. European rulers started giving military protection and trade concessions to these trading companies. Now it means one country exploiting another country by making into a colony. A powerful country of the basis of economic and military strength occupies another region and establishes its political supremacy. Now this is known as the colonialism. This tendency of colonialism led to rise of imperialism among the European. Now there will be struggle between English and French. England and France were rivals in the competition for trade in India. Due to this, there were three wars fought between them, which are known as Carnatic War. The main motive of imperialism are there was a competition among European countries for acquiring trade monopoly in India. The British established British East India Company in 1600 AD to carry out trade in India. This company took permission from Emperor Jahangir and established its factory in Surat. The definition of imperialism, a system in which a powerful country controls other countries by establishing its overall domination and establishing many colonies. The causes of imperialism, it is to establish more and more colonies. European countries with strong military power and imperialist aspiration, the countries in Asia and Africa. Imperialism gained momentum after Industrial Revolution and came to an end in 20th century. Imperialism gained momentum after Industrial Revolution and came to an end in 20th century. To restrict the activities of British in Bengal, Mir Qasim, Sirajuddin Dullah and the Nawab of Ayodhya and Mughal Emperor Shah formed an alliance and ran a campaign. In 1764 AD, Battle of Buxar was fought in Bihar. After this battle, British East India Company got the right to collect the revenue from Bengal province as per the Treaty of Allahabad. England and France were rival in the competition for trade in India. Due to this, three wars were fought between them, which are known as Carnatic Wars. In Third Carnatic War, England finally defeated France. So there were no strong European competition for British East India Company in India. Hope you all are okay. Have a good day. God bless you. Thank you.